What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and today I'm going to be taking you along a full what I eat in a day. I got some delicious recipes planned for you guys, so make sure to stick around till the very end. And as always, if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipes, food reviews, fitness videos, and vlogs. I do it all. So if you guys are interested in that kind of content, make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. With that being said, let us jump right into the kitchen for the first meal. But actually, the first meal is actually going to be some lemon water with some blackstrap molasses. And I love blackstrap molasses because it's got the calcium in it, magnesium, potassium. It's got a bunch of nutrients in it, and it's super healthy. So mix it with a little lemon and some water, and we got ourselves a morning tonic. So let's get right into it. So for passing by park, I gotta stop by and do some pull-ups and some dips real quick. And now it's time to get into the kitchen and make this little morning tonic. So let's go. So it's definitely not the prettiest color or the tastiest, drink you can have, but filled with magnesium, calcium, potassium, and all that other stuff I said earlier. So, and iron, so that's a good one as well. And the vitamin C from the lemon, it's a nice morning drink to have for sure. So I'm gonna gulp this down, wait about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna have our first meal, and I'll show you guys what that is. All right, so the first meal that I'm starting with is some strawberries and some cherries. And as soon as I finish these, I'm going to make some buffalo tofu wraps with some vegan ranch. So let's do it. All right, guys, so I got some tofu cooking up in the pan right now, and I'm gonna make this quick little buffalo sauce. So I'm gonna use some Vegenaise, and then some buffalo sauce. And we're gonna put quite a bit to get that buffalo flavor. And then I'm gonna add a tiny bit of unsweetened, unflavored soy milk just to thin it out a bit. Now we'll mix this all up. So depending on the consistency that you guys want, you can add a little bit more liquid or less. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more just to thin it out a little bit. And now we're gonna add this on top of the cooking tofu. So let's do that. So I just ground up the tofu, and now we are gonna add the sauce to it. And for a little extra flavor, I'm gonna add some paprika and garlic powder. And then depending on how spicy you guys want it, I want it a little bit more spicy, so I'm gonna add a tiny bit more of this buffalo sauce. Maybe not a tiny bit, but a good amount. So now the tofu is done cooking, I'm gonna set it aside and then make some of my vegan ranch. Now, if you guys wanna see how to make this vegan ranch recipe, I just made it in my last video, I believe, which was the vegan barbecue tofu with the homemade spicy ranch. So if you guys wanna see that, top right corner, I will put that video so you guys can see how to make that ranch. All right, guys, time to plate up these tacos. So first things first, I'm gonna add some of this tofu on here, this buffalo tofu, and it's got that buffalo smell to it. I can already smell it already. And then next, I'm gonna sprinkle some of this mixed salad of red cabbage, celery, and romaine lettuce. And of course, the last bit is the vegan ranch. This smells so good, guys. I cannot wait to dig in. But of course, as you guys always know, the camera's gotta eat first. So I'm gonna take some pictures of this, and then we will do a taste test. So right before I took the picture, guys, I noticed something is missing, and that is some green onions. I don't have any cilantro, or else I would have done that, but I know the green onions will add a great depth of flavor to that. So now let's take a picture, and then we'll do a taste test. All right, guys, let's take a bite of this taco. I'm so excited. Try to form a nice little bite here. It's probably gonna be real hard to see, but let's do it. So I could have used more hot sauce. I thought I used quite a bit in the buffalo sauce that I made, but it's all good. You could always add some more on top. But like I said, some people do like it spicy, some people don't like it that spicy. It still tastes good to me. And I might have spoke too soon because a lot of that spice is actually coming through right now. But yeah, super delicious, very easy to make. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish this meal, and then we will see you guys for the next meal. So, see you in a bit. All right, guys, so for this next meal, I'm gonna do some peanut butter toast. And for the toast, I got these cinnamon raisin bagels. It's also sprouted wheat, so it's a bit healthier of an option. And then I got some strawberries right here. that I'm gonna be putting on the side. So let's get to that. It's a very simple and easy meal, and I'll be pretty hungry as soon as I finish this. So I will have another meal coming right after. This is more like a sweet midday snack. All right, guys, that was too good, so I had to go in for round 2, but this time we are doing it with the bananas instead of the strawberries. And I'm telling you, this cinnamon raisin sprouted bagel is so good. So I'm about to finish this up, and then I will bring you guys along for my last meal of the day. All right, guys, so for my next meal, we are gonna be making some sweet potatoes, and I'm actually gonna air fry these sweet potatoes, and then I'm gonna have them with some quinoa and a little salad on the side. So I'll show you guys that. Just gotta chop them up. I don't know why, but sweet potatoes are always the hardest to chop up. I don't know if it's this knife or what, but I always feel sketchy when I'm chopping sweet potatoes because they're just so tough. So I'm just gonna cube them up like so. All right, so I'm gonna toss these into a bowl, spice them up with some paprika, garlic, and a little bit of avocado oil, and then we will air fry these bad boys. And I'll show you guys that as soon as we finish. All right, guys, so I just tossed some avocado oil on there, and now I'm gonna add some garlic powder, black pepper, a little paprika, toss it all around. And we are ready to air fry these, so let's go. For this side salad, guys, I got a couple leaves of romaine lettuce. Move them to the side, and then I have some red cabbage here that I'm just gonna finely chop. Nothing fancy, just some lettuce and some red cabbage, but it will make for a nice, healthy salad, and it will be delicious once I add my sauce to it. So I got some leftover quinoa right here that I'm gonna be pairing with the side salad and then the sweet potatoes, and that will make for a nice final meal. So as soon as those sweet potatoes finish, I'll put it all together and show you guys. All right, guys, so the potatoes are done. Gonna just put a bed of salad in here, put everything else on top of it. Why do they call it red cabbage if it's purple? Can someone please comment that below? I don't know why they do that. Why is it called red cabbage and not purple cabbage? I really want to know. Check out these sweet potatoes. Air fried for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and they came out perfect. So we'll add these on top. Wow, that is definitely a loaded bowl. Look at that, guys. And then the final touch, we got some quinoa. I'm just making a mess right now. Wow, look at that. You know what, I'm gonna have to take a picture of this, honestly. I gotta do it. But first we gotta add some sauce, so let's do that. All right, so I'm thinking a little tahini, and I'm gonna mix it with some barbecue. There I go, making a mess again. All right, check that out, guys. Is that a sight to see or what? Obviously the greens are hidden, but they're there. That's the most important part. So I'm gonna picture this and then we will do a taste test. All right, guys, so gotta do the taste test for you. And first things first, I'm gonna go with this sweet potato. Please focus on it. Focus. There it is. Got the tahini and the barbecue. I gotta try these sweet potatoes. Fire. Now I'll do a little quinoa with the sweet potato. So good. This bowl is super loaded, so I'm trying to be careful to get this salad out of here without just spilling it all on the ground right now. But I want to get some freshness in there. Oh no. There we go. So that meal was very simple, guys. As you can see, quinoa, sweet potatoes, the greens, the red cabbage or purple cabbage, whatever you want to call it, and of course the tahini and the barbecue sauce. Very simple mixture, but very delicious and whole foods plant-based. So you know it's super healthy, filled with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So it is a win-win. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. That would help me out a ton. Like I said in my last video, about 78% of the people who are watching are not subscribed. So if you guys like this content, please make sure to click that little red button and make sure to leave a comment down below. I respond to every single comment and I would love to hear your guys' feedback. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.